Okay, thank you for taking the time to watch my video today on Canvas. This is specifically designed for my world history students, that is 5th and 6th period. And this video is for both teachers, parents, and students. Just how do I access Canvas? How do I use Mr. Panfalone's Canvas page? So here we are in actually student view. So parents, this is what you'll see as well. I want to run through a couple things that are super important. As you can see here, there is a login, which you can go to students. You have a username and password. We talked about this at the beginning of the year. And you can access our online textbook, which has some great features, like the audio feature that will actually read the paragraphs of whatever the chapter you're in. And so if you're an auditory learner, this is great. So that is right there at the bottom of my homepage. Over here, we have announcements. Anytime I make a major announcement about something, maybe I need you guys all to bring your colored pencils tomorrow. Forgot to mention that in class. I might post an announcement. If you have your notifications set in your preferences that it'll send you a text message anytime a teacher makes an announcement, you can do that. Parents, you can do the same thing or send you an email. But either way, there's that opportunity if you'd like to. I haven't really included the assignment or discussion features. At some point, we're going to have a discussion question I post online here, and you guys will reflect on that question, and you will type in your answers and create an ongoing blog, if you will. We will do that later in the year, but as of right now, we haven't done that. In the module section is where I put any study skills, time management, and organizational strategies. So as I teach you guys new study technique students, like the study plan or table of contents or Cornell notes or different things like that, I have these posted here so that you guys can access those and print those off and utilize those in my class and others. Of course, this is a link that goes right to Home Access Center. As well as Office 365, where you guys can do your PowerPoint presentations in Microsoft Word, save it on your OneLogin drive. Of course, you guys know what OneLogin is. But the one feature that I really want to spend time on, which is the one I use the most, is the calendar. So this is a great way to keep parents informed. So if you guys look at this, here's today's agenda. Every day I post up on the screen, when the kids walk in a PowerPoint, they will see a PowerPoint that lists the agenda for the day as well as the educational goals and down below the homework. Now, what we don't see is in this, we don't see an example of an agenda that has handouts. So let me see if I can find one with handouts here. So if a kid is absent, they don't have to wait till they come in the next day to get their information. So see, there's the agenda right there. If we scroll past that, here's an actual packet that the kids got, so they can print them off. If a kid loses them, of course, we don't want kids losing things, but if they do, instead of driving all the way back to school, having parents drive them all the way back to school, they can actually access it and print it off right here. Parents, this also gives you an opportunity. This gives you an opportunity to keep informed of what's going on in class. You can go, and even if your son or daughter is not absent, you can go here and see what we did. If sometimes I have video clips that go along with whatever I'm teaching. If the video is a DVD that I show them, obviously I can't put that on. But if I have YouTube video clips or History Channel video clips, I can access those through this Canvas calendar as a parent. So I think that's a great feature for you. If there are upcoming quizzes or tests, project due dates, whatever, I will post that on the calendar as well. So this gives parents and students great resources to be able to keep tabs with the class, keep up to date. If you have any questions about this, feel free to go over here to your inbox and send me a message, students or parents, or you can email me through your email account. My email is doug.panfalone@lakotaonline.com, and I'll be glad to help you. But I really would like to encourage both parents and students to use this wonderful resource. All right, thank you very much.